LexiCat786, and
Force Unleashed X.
we're going to show you the cutest dog in the world to do tricks. Sit. Good boy. Lay down. Good boy. There you go. Okay, now we're going to nod. Nod, okay? Yes. No. Good boy. Yes, no, that's a good boy. And let's see if he'll do this one.
Oh!
Side lay down. Good boy.
See if he does Play Dead. He's still learning Play Dead.
Because he's not really a trick dog. He's more of like a guard dog. So I'm teaching her a little bit of tricks. There's one that's follow. I'll try and do it for you. Come on, Snook. Come here. Come here. Come here, Snook. Good boy. No. Follow. Come here. Follow. Sit. 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 Stay. Sit. 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 Stay. Come.
Good boy.
No,
Oh, that's big.
That's jump.
That's big.
No, that's jump.
Oh. He's so cute.
Well, it's all the tricks that he's knowing right now. It started like 2 days ago. So.
That's got you.
Hmm?
Okay. Say bye, Snook. Bye, Snook. Okay, bye.